Caution, this is a video log. It has dialogue. For the purist, nature videos, go to my playlist, pick one that matches your mood, and does not mention vlogs or dialogue.
Good day. It is Sunday, February 1st, 2026. In the last episode, we were making a mad dash to get back home before the snow set in, and we did. It's fairly significant, shut down a lot of things. We didn't get mail for 4 or 5 days at the house, and everything was shoveled and clear. I've been out scouting for locations to film this weekend, but for the most cases, the trailheads, the parking area aren't cleared and you can't get in. There's like a 2-foot berm of snow that the plow put in when they cleared the road, and you can't really get over that or into the parking lot. A lot of places just don't have accessible parking. The couple places I found that do, the rivers and the creeks are frozen solid, and so it looks a lot like this road behind me here. It's just a ditch, a white colored ditch. There's no river or creek that you can see. There aren't a lot of public access waterfalls in the area. So I did pull into this area here and clear, because the snow here is only about 6 inches deep. We got about a foot at home. I pulled in here, was obviously very slippery. I just kept my momentum and pulled back out. I wanted to go up to the bush recreation area and film there, but the park is closed. There isn't a place to pull off there where you can safely park and walk in. I think it's going to be nice when the sun comes out this afternoon, but we're just not going to be able to film. Thor has already been out. He is in the car here waiting for us to go again. In a couple of days, I have a fairly significant dental work planned, and I may or may not be able to talk. So we'll see how that impacts the vlog. As long as I'm able, I'll still get out and film. I might just not have talking. We'll just see. I have more footage that I shot from the trip down south, which will be following this week's video because we just we didn't capture anything this week. So I think that's a wrap for this week's episode. We'll see you in next week's adventure. As always, no idea where I'll be. Vlogs come out on Wednesday. Long videos come out on odd numbered days. Have a good day, and we'll see you on the next adventure.